The entire conference expressed, in my view, unity and expressed support for the people of Afghanistan. There was talk about how to devise a mechanism for disbursement. First, raise resources to help people, and when you do, how do we disperse that? There has to be an institutional mechanism developed and adopted. COVID-19 hasn't vanished; it's still there, and there was a thought and a suggestion that the OIC Secretariat should engage with WHO for securing vaccines and medical supplies for Afghanistan, because the situation is serious over there. Number of other developments that have come out of this conference are, and I'll share them with you. One, the conference has agreed, and it was required, to establish a humanitarian trust fund. Two, they've agreed, and we've all agreed, to launch a food security program for Afghanistan. Three, we collectively feel that we have to unlock financial and banking channels, because the economy cannot function and people cannot be helped without banking services. Four, there has been an agreement to appoint a special envoy of OIC for Afghanistan. Because OIC has so many things to look at, there has to be a focused person just looking at the Afghan situation. And five, there was a need felt to forge a partnership between OIC and the UN system. The UN agencies can work and are working in Afghanistan, and many donors are comfortable, giving their resources to them, and they feel that they will be well utilized. Finally, there is a view and there's a call on the international community and the UN Security Council that sanctions should not impede, we should ensure that sanctions should not impede the provision of humanitarian aid. To that extent, there should be clarity. And economic resources that are made available, these sanctions should not come in the way of money being imparted for schools and hospitals. So that was agreed upon. Let me share with you that this is the beginning. Follow-up meetings would be required. One cannot feel complacent that we have done what was required. No. We have made the international community and the Ummah realize the magnitude of the challenge, how big a challenge it is. And now we will have to work further to actually alleviate the sufferings of the people of Afghanistan. I will conclude by thanking everyone. I want to thank the officers of the Foreign Office, the entire team that worked round the clock to make this happen. I am proud of my officers who have done a great job in such a short time.